When you feel lost, do not give up. You don't know what to do, or where to go. Sometimes we reach a stage where we feel everyone else is moving forward while we remain in the same place. We see others achieving their dreams, and we begin to ask, what about me? Why haven't I arrived yet? But the truth is that everyone has their own path. Falling behind does not mean you have failed, and stumbling does not mean your story is over. Here, we offer the viewer just 3 steps. 1. Stop comparing yourself to others. 2. Set a small goal. 3. Start with a single step. You may be in the most difficult chapter of your life right now, but do not judge the book by a single chapter. What you are going through today might one day become part of the story you are proud of. Don't give up. Your story isn't over yet.